Okay. Oh no. Oh no. I almost screwed that up. One of statistics of the bomb. Tee. Ow. That hurt. I can just shoot these things to get them.
Go!
No? Aww. No. Don't call the cops, because it never ends well. Even if I want an epic car chase.
There's a shootout or something happening.
Or something.
Good to go. Your ride is ready for pickup.
Yeah, great. Thanks for teleporting that car. Don't know why you couldn't just teleport me, but okay. Oh, and this car has terrible traction. Oh my god. Oh, and watch as they changes to ground. Maybe you shouldn't go because you're gonna crash. Because green lights turn you into idiots. It's like we've evolved into, you know, primitive beings that lose all mentality.